How to apply for Commbank Advance Pay is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, you need to be a Commbank customer with a valid account and meet the eligibility criteria. This includes being at least 18 years old, having a regular income, and not being bankrupt or in financial hardship. First, log into your Commbank app or online banking platform using your username and password. Navigate to the Advance Pay section, where you will find information about the feature, including the eligibility criteria and the application process. If you are eligible, you can apply for Advance Pay by clicking on the Apply Now button. You will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your income details and employment status. This information is used to assess your eligibility and determine the amount you can borrow. Once you have submitted your application, Commbank will review it and may request additional information or documentation to verify your identity and income. If your application is approved, the funds will be transferred into your account immediately. It is essential to note that Advance Pay is a loan and must be repaid, along with any interest or fees that may apply. The repayment amount and due date will be outlined in your loan agreement, and you can choose to repay the loan in full or make regular repayments. To manage your Advance Pay loan effectively, it is crucial to create a budget and stick to it. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the loan, including the interest rate and any fees that may apply. You should also consider setting up automatic repayments to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of Advance Pay, you can apply for and manage your loan with confidence. Remember to always borrow responsibly and only apply for the amount you need, as this will help you avoid financial difficulties and ensure a positive experience with Commbank Advance Pay.